Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect CapCut with TikTok. So you can do it with a CapCut mobile version. All you have to do now is open your CapCut and then go to the me icon at the bottom of your screen. This is your profile, and you can go to the settings at the top of your screen. Here you can manage your account. You can tap it. In manage accounts option, you can add an email to protect your account. You can set password for your email, and here we go. You can connect your accounts to TikTok, Google, and Facebook. So for example, for TikTok, you can click or you can tap link, and if you install TikTok, this will be open directly into your TikTok account and synchronize. But if you, like me, don't have TikTok account, you'll be directed into your web browser and then go to the tiktoks.com. So it's very I recommend you to create your TikTok account first before you link into your CapCut account. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And also click the next button below. See you in the next video.